In the building. Oh boy, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed.
Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to Cornrow your hair, so stick with me. So take a section at the front and break it into 3 sections. Then follow that same motion, but rubbing pieces of hair as you cornrow down, and just repeat that same motion. Watch me closely. It's so important to learn how to cornrow, or cornrow, some people will say, because it's the main foundation of most hairstyles. You need it for your wigs, you need it to crochet, you need cornrows to install a weave. So cornrows or cornrows is very important to practice. So you can even do it on your own head or for others. Keep watching. You can watch this video over and over again now that everyone is self-isolating, to practice how to cornrow. Don't forget to moisturize your hair whilst doing this style. So natural hair gets really dry. So if you're putting it underneath a wig, make sure your hair is moisturized properly. You know, you can use some products like shea butter, you can use leave-in conditioners, you can use different products, any of your choice really, but always make sure your hair is moisturized whilst doing this hair. Again, grab 3 sections at the front whilst you grab pieces of hair as you work your way down. Watch closely. It's really simple when you get the concept of it. Super easy. Once you get it, you just work with it straight.
In the building. Oh boy, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Send me tired, done me, I do. What do you do me? Make I was here, Jay. I bring you now. Send me tired, done me, I do. What do you do me? Make I was here, Jay. I bring you now. shout your name. I go praise your name. I go shout your name. I go lift your name. I go lift your name. You're the King of Kings. You're the Lord of Lords. You're the Most High God. I go praise your name. I go shout your name. I go praise your name. I go shout your name. I go praise your name. Semi kai adoni adum odi andumi mega wasi eje I bring you now. Semi kai adoni adum odi andumi mega wasi eje I bring you now. There is nothing like Press in the building. Oh boy, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Semi tired, don't me, I do. Oh, dear, do me, mega was here, Jay. I bring you now. Semi tired, don't me, I do. Oh, dear, do me, mega was here, Jay. I bring you now. Send me TV,